Did you know that nearly everyone who wears glasses will experience the annoyance of scratched lenses? It's true. Scratched lenses are a common problem that can plague even the most careful wearer. These tiny imperfections, often invisible to the naked eye, can have a surprisingly significant impact on our vision and daily lives. While a single scratch might seem insignificant, it can distort light passing through the lens, creating visual distractions. These distractions can range from a slight blur to more noticeable glares, especially in bright light. Over time, these seemingly minor annoyances can lead to eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. Scratches, though seemingly minor, disrupt the smooth passage of light through our lenses. Imagine a pristine lake surface, reflecting the sky perfectly. Now, picture ripples disturbing that surface, distorting the reflection. Similarly, scratches on our lenses scatter light instead of directing it properly onto our retinas. This scattering creates visual noise, reducing the sharpness and clarity of our vision. Our eyes, forced to constantly adjust to these distortions, work harder than they should. This extra effort can lead to tired eyes, headaches, and difficulty focusing, particularly during tasks requiring prolonged visual attention. Our glasses endure a surprising amount of wear and tear throughout the day. From accidental drops to careless cleaning, the potential for scratches is ever present. Even seemingly harmless activities like placing them on a table or tossing them in a bag can lead to microscopic abrasions. Dust, sand, and other tiny particles can act like sandpaper, grinding against the lens surface with every movement. Over time, these micro scratches accumulate, dulling the lenses and impacting our visual clarity. It's a constant battle against the elements, and our glasses often bear the brunt of it. While scratched lenses might seem like a minor inconvenience, their impact on our eye health shouldn't be underestimated. The constant strain of trying to see clearly through distorted lenses can lead to a range of uncomfortable symptoms. Headaches, particularly those concentrated around the temples or forehead, are a common complaint. Our eyes, working overtime to compensate for the scattered light, send signals of fatigue to our brain, often manifesting as a throbbing pain. Additionally, blurry vision, difficulty focusing, and even dry, irritated eyes can result from the constant struggle to see clearly. Section 5. The quest for clarity, conventional solutions, and their shortcomings. Faced with the annoyance of scratched lenses, many people turn to conventional solutions, hoping to restore their glasses to their former glory. These solutions range from commercial scratch removers to professional services and even various DIY methods found online. However, these methods often come with their own set of drawbacks. Despite the initial promise, the results can be underwhelming, leaving users disheartened. Commercial scratch removers, while promising impressive results, can be expensive and often contain harsh chemicals that might damage delicate lens coatings. These products are marketed as quick fixes, but they can sometimes do more harm than good. Eyeglass repair shops offer professional buffing services, but these can be costly and time-consuming. The expertise of a technician can indeed make a difference, but the inconvenience and expense can be a significant deterrent for many. Moreover, repeated buffing can thin out the lenses over time, potentially weakening them. This process, while effective in the short term, can lead to long-term damage, making the lenses more susceptible to future scratches and even breakage. The quest for a simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution often leaves glasses wearers feeling frustrated and resigned to their scratched fate. DIY solutions, such as using toothpaste or baking soda, are popular but often ineffective. These methods can sometimes make the problem worse, adding to the frustration. Many turn to the internet, searching for miracle cures and hacks, only to find that most of these solutions are either impractical or ineffective. The abundance of conflicting advice can be overwhelming, leaving individuals unsure of what to try next. Ultimately, some may consider purchasing new glasses altogether, but this is not always a feasible option due to the high cost. The cycle of searching for a solution continues, highlighting the need for a truly effective and affordable method to deal with scratched lenses. Section 6. A moment of clarity. Baking soda to the rescue. But fear not, for a simple household ingredient holds the key to banishing those pesky scratches and restoring clarity to your lenses. Baking soda. Yes, that humble pantry staple, known for its cleaning prowess, can work wonders on scratched glasses. Baking soda, with its mildly abrasive nature, gently polishes away minor scratches without damaging the delicate lens surface. It's a safe, effective, and budget-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals and expensive repairs. Plus, it's readily available in most kitchens, making it a convenient solution for a common problem. Section 7, Step-by-Step Banishing Scratches with Baking Soda. Ready to experience the magic of baking soda? This common household item is not just for baking. It can also be a lifesaver for your scratched glasses. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to restore your glasses to their former glory. First, let's create a paste. This paste will be the key to gently buffing out those pesky scratches. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water. The ratio is important to get the right consistency. Mix well until you achieve a smooth, thick paste. It should be thick enough to stay on the lenses but not too dry. Next, we apply the paste. Gently apply the baking soda paste onto the scratched areas of your lenses. Be sure to cover all the scratches thoroughly. Use your fingers to spread the paste evenly, ensuring all scratches are covered. This even application is crucial for the paste to work effectively. Then, let it sit. Allow the paste to sit on the lenses for a few minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. The abrasive nature of baking soda helps to gently buff out the scratches without damaging the lenses. After letting it sit, gently rub the paste in circular motions on the lenses. This helps to further buff out the scratches. Rinse the glasses under running water to wash away the paste. Make sure all the paste is removed. Finally, dry the glasses with a soft cloth. Check the lenses to see the improvement. Repeat the process if necessary for deeper scratches. And there you have it. Your glasses should now be clearer and free of those annoying scratches. Enjoy your restored vision. Section 8. A gentle touch, polishing your way to clarity. Using a soft, lint-free cloth, gently rub the paste onto the lenses in small, circular motions. Avoid applying excessive pressure, as this can further damage the lenses. Once you've polished the lenses thoroughly, rinse them under cool, running water to remove any remaining paste. Gently dry the lenses with a clean microfiber cloth. Section 9. A clear difference before and after, and voila! Your glasses should now be free of those pesky scratches, leaving you with sparkling clear lenses. The difference is often quite remarkable, with improved clarity and reduced glare. You'll be amazed at how such a simple trick can make such a significant difference in your vision. Remember, this method works best on minor scratches. Deeper gouges might require professional attention, but for everyday wear and tear, the baking soda trick is an effective and budget-friendly solution to keep your glasses looking their best. Section 10. Embrace the clarity. Maintaining your spectacles. Your glasses are more than just a tool for better vision. They are an essential part of your daily life. Keeping them in top condition ensures you see the world clearly and comfortably. Now that you've restored your glasses to their former glory, it's essential to keep them that way. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your spectacles, but also enhances your visual experience. A few simple habits can go a long way in preventing future scratches and maintaining optimal lens clarity. Consistency is key when it comes to caring for your glasses. Always store your glasses in a protective case when not in use. This habit protects them from accidental drops, dust, and scratches, ensuring they remain in pristine condition. This simple step prevents accidental drops and protects them from dust and scratches. A sturdy case acts as a shield, safeguarding your lenses from potential damage. Use a microfiber cloth and lens cleaning solution to clean your lenses regularly, removing smudges and debris that can contribute to scratching. Regular cleaning not only keeps your vision clear, but also prevents the buildup of harmful particles. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that can damage the lens coatings. Instead, opt for gentle cleaning solutions specifically designed for eyewear. This ensures that the protective coatings on your lenses remain intact, providing you with the best possible vision. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy clear, comfortable vision every day. Remember, your glasses are an investment in your eyesight, and taking good care of them will pay off in the long run. Embrace the clarity and maintain your spectacles with care. Section 11. Sparkling results. Sharing is caring. Congratulations on mastering the art of scratch removal and restoring clarity to your vision. Share this simple yet effective trick with your friends and family, and help them experience the joy of clear, scratch-free glasses. Remember, maintaining clear vision is essential for a fulfilling life. By taking care of our glasses and addressing minor issues like scratches promptly, we can ensure that our vision remains sharp and our world stays in focus.